Profit and loss appropriation account, our today's tutorial. So this account is a part of partnership account chapter. To prepare this appropriation account for you, I have taken a question from 2023 O-level IGCSE accounting past paper. So I will show you here how to answer this question step by step. So before we write up here, let us have a look at the question. Aquila and Darius are in partnership. The partnership agreement provides the following. Okay, so here we have interest on capital 3% per annum, interest on drawings 5%, salary of Aquila $9,500 per annum, residual profit and loss to be shared 60% to Aquila and 40% to Darius. Okay, so here we have some more information. Okay, so these are related to this account. Okay, here only interest on drawings, interest on capital and partner's salary will come. Okay, so you have some more information. These are not relevant, okay, related to this account. So here we have profit for the year. Okay, this is our first item to record here in this account. Profit for the year will be given on the question. Okay, so here we see the profit for the year ended 30 April 2022 was $42,304. Okay, so this will appear first of all here in this account. Remember, this is step 1. Okay, so we will write here profit for the year. So we will write on the outer column $42,304. Okay, now what to write? Now second step, we will write interest on drawings. This will be also given on the question. Okay, so let us write here, this is revenue. Okay, this is income for this partnership business. So we will write here add interest on drawings. Okay, so here we have two partners. So here interest on drawings 5%. Okay, we see here drawings for the year ended 30 April 2023. Aquila's drawings is $19,400 and Darius' drawing is $16,320. Okay, this is the amount of drawings. Now we need to calculate interest on these amounts. Okay, so we have here two partners. One is here Aquila. So here Aquila and another one is Darius. Okay, so Aquila's drawing is here on the question $19,400 and Darius' drawing is $16,320. Okay, so here the interest on drawing is 5%. Okay, that means if any partner takes money, make drawings from the business, has to pay interest at the rate of 5%. Okay, so we will multiply by here 5% and here also 5%. So now here 19,400 times 5%, we get here $970 and Darius here 16,220 times 5%, we get here $816. Okay, this is the interest on drawings. Now if we add these two amounts, we get here $1,786. Okay, the interest on drawings for these two partners. Okay, so now profit for the year plus interest on drawings, how much we see here? So here total is $44,090. Okay, this is total revenue. Okay, incomes. Now we have expense, we have interest on capital, we have salary of one partner. Okay, these two are expenses, so expenses must be subtracted, right? So we will write here less or minus whatever you prefer, expenses. Okay, so first of all we have interest on capital. So let us write here interest on capital. The partner's name here, we have two partners, Akila and Darius. So now what is the capital for Akila and Darius? So on the question we have the capital accounts at 1st May 2022. So Akila's capital is here $90,000 and Darius' capital is here $65,000. And here on the question interest on capital of 3% per annum. So here we will write the capital first. So Akila it is $90,000 and Darius it is $65,000 and rate of interest is 3%. So now if we multiply $90,000 by 3%, we get here 2,700 for Akila and Darius $65,000 times 3%. We get here $1,950. Okay, so we calculated interest on capital. Now here on the question we have salary, right? A salary to Akila $9,500 per annum. Okay, so this is the amount the partnership business has to pay. Okay, so Akila will receive this salary. So we will write here salary to Akila. So here we see $9,500 per year. Now if we add these three amounts, we have nothing more expense. So three amounts, we get here $14,150. Okay, this is total expense for this partnership business. Okay, now here our revenue is 44,090 and expenses 14,150. That means there will be a profit for the year. Yeah, so now if we subtract this amount from this total, we get here $29,940. Okay, this is profit share. So this amount, this profit will be shared to these two partners. Okay, so what is the ratio here? So 60% profit share will be received by the Akila and 40% to Darius. Okay, so we will write here now profit share. So here Akila and Darius. Okay, so 29,940 times 60%. Okay, what comes here? 17,964. Okay, again 29,940 times 40%. It is for Darius 11,976. Okay, so now if we add these two amounts, we get same here $29,940. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so you can write the calculation here 29,940 times 60% you get here, and same 29,940 times 40% you get here 11,976.